All right, let's take a look at a really good Zippo that I just acquired. Okay, this one came with that nice protective sleeve over it, and it says US flag. It's got that nice cardboard sleeve, and on the front it says antique silver plate by Zippo. Also says US flag above the barcode. It's a genuine Zippo, made in the USA in Bradford, PA. That's where the Zippo headquarters are located. And this one is special because it's an Armor. It's an Armor case. The distinctive symbol on the bottom stamp authenticates this lighter as heavy-walled Armor. The Armor case is about 1.5 times as thick as the standard Zippo case. So here is the antique silver plate. And this is a really nice because all that front part is engraved, heavily carved into the lighter. Antique silver finish. Fingerprints will not stay on this easily. And it is stamped C of 19, which is March of this year. Really good stampings. And on the lower right you can see the Armor symbol, the A inside the shield under that little flame, and there's a little registered trademark on it. It's got a steel insert. Good sound, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Armor. I have no doubt that it will pass. It passed, but I missed the target. Try it again. Okay, that's twice it passed the drop test. That is the antique silver plate. The part of the US flag carved into it. It's definitely a really good one. And we are going to give that some cowbell. Knuckle bump.